Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you're new, hello, my name is BlancaEstelaBeauty and now welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be unbagging my March Ipsy Glam bag. Now, today is the 30th of March, so I am filming it a little bit late. So it's going to go up in April, which probably the first week of April. But, you know, a girl's been busy. But, yeah, it's currently 11:22 p.m. and I'm trying to wake anyone else up in the house, so I'm going to talk softly, but I do have the microphone close to me, and I'll fix the audio just in case you guys are like, why is she whispering, you know? So yeah, anyways, okay, so I'm gonna be unbagging it like I always do. Oh my god, so before I start, I finally got the email to upgrade to Ipsy Plus, girl. I'm like so excited. So soon, I don't think it's gonna be the last regular glam bag. I think I'm gonna get another one, and then in May they're gonna start sending me the Plus. So I'm excited about that. This is what the bag looks like. And off she went to change the world right here. Oh, I did try to film this already, but my camera died, and I decided to finish filming it in my phone. But the quality was really bad because it was out of focus a lot, so I just deleted it. So a week later, here I am filming it again, or it would have been up sooner, but you know. So first things first, the first thing that came in the packaging, not in the bag because it didn't fit, is a brush. This is from Chic, I think, and this is one of their blush brushes, and it looks like this. I love getting brushes from Ipsy, you know, because you can get a mini size brush, you know, it's like a full size brush. And I love getting brushes because that just saves you money from brushes, you know. The first thing I pull out is the little paper that they send with the bag every month. And then, so March was National Women's History Month, which is amazing. And then what I like now is that they actually send a paper and it tells you a little bit about each product that they send. So I can actually read off from this instead of going on the website like I always do. I'll pull up the first product, which is something that I'm really excited about. This is the I Do Care, but do is spelled D-E-W. Get it? So funny. I Do Care Disco Kitten Illuminating Diamond Peel Off Mask. First, let me read what it says and then I'll show it to you guys, okay? This K-beauty brand's all about skincare for all genders, skin colors, skin types, everyone. This peel-off mask is made with pearl powder to exfoliate, diamond powder to brighten, and superfood oats to keep skin healthy and nourished. Oh my god. So this is what it looks like in the packaging. Super cute. I've never heard of this brand before, so I'm actually excited to try it out. And if I actually do like this, I'm gonna end up buying more. And then this is a little, so obviously this is a sample size, right? But look how cute it is. You guys are not going to be ready. It's like actual. Can you guys see that? I don't want it to fall out, but let me see if I can zoom in without. Can you guys see how? Can you guys see the diamonds and like how illuminating that is? It's so pretty. I'm excited to try this out. I'm actually gonna probably try it out when I take this makeup off, even though it's already like almost midnight, but so pretty. And then the next thing is so like I said, I tried to film this video already, so this one is kind of fucked up already, but I'm just gonna pretend it's not, okay? So the next thing is by Pure Cosmetics. This is their Afterglow Mini Highlighting Skin Perfecting Powder. Pure is known for makeup made with healthy ingredients that improve your skin from the inside out. This reflective powder has an iridescent gold shimmer that blurs imperfections while giving you a lift from within radiance. Whoa, okay. So I need to make this look a little bit decent. So this is what the packaging looks like. Like I said, I did try to film it once, so it's a little bit fucked up. And then I'm going to take it out of the packaging. So like I said, it's a mini one. But I'm gonna swatch it. Ignore my dirty nail, but look at that. So cute. And then this is without the glare of the plastic. And then the next thing I'm gonna pull out is a mini size mascara. This is by Tarte, and this is their Tarte Man Eater Voluptuous Mascara. Tarte's committed to creating products that are cruelty free and made with good for you ingredients. This inky black formula features a flexible brush that coats even your tiniest lashes. Jojoba and Caranuba wax strength and protects your lashes and helps prevent flaking, girl. So I've heard a lot of good things about this mascara, but I've never tried it. I do have the Man Eater eyeliner, and I like the eyeliner, so I might like the mascara. This is what it looks like. Damn, on my hands. This is part of the peel mask, by the way. I already dried down on my finger. Right there. I have two. One of my favorite mascaras is a Lights Camera Lashes by Tarte. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like this mascara too, because I also have their Tarte's Pro Mascara, and I love that as well. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be liking this one. And if I like it, of course I'm gonna buy the full size one. And then the last thing is the lip product. This one is by Ciate London, and this is their mini lip luster in Kiss Me. The MO of this British beauty brand is using makeup to express your inner beauty, and we're always down for that. This vitamin E infused gloss is non-sticky, silky smooth, and creates a sheer wash of pretty pink color you can layer to deepen the shade. And you guys, this is so pretty. Can you guys see the color and how shiny and sparkly that is? It's so cute. So it's a lip gloss. And you guys know I'm a sucker for lip gloss. I love lip gloss. Ooh. So it is a sheer shade, but you guys can see how sparkly that is. Super cute. Okay. And yeah, that is it. That's all I got in my March Ipsy bag. And yeah, I'm sorry I'm going to be uploading it in April. But like I said, shit happens and I had to refilm it again. And at least it's going up, right? So, yeah. So that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, bye guys.